Alright, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to put fonts into GIMP really quick and easy with Windows. So go ahead and open up your internet browser and go to 1001fonts.com. Alright, once you get there, you can go in here and go through the categories and you can spend your time finding what you want, whether it's branding, music video stuff, cover arts, or in-game assets where you're doing something with a video game like a police car skin for LSPDFR or something. Either way, this is like one of the best websites to ever go to. So go in here, find something that you want, something that you like, think it's cool. So we'll just get My Fox Regular. That looks pretty cool. So we're going to download it. Once you get it downloaded, go ahead and get it unzipped with 7-zip or WinRAR or whatever you're using. Go ahead and extract it. Alright, so you right click on it, open with, font viewer, and then install, just like this. And then it's going to install that package, right? And so do the same for this one. Windows Font Viewer and install, and then it will install this as well. Alright, since that's in there, we can now go to GIMP, and we can go to the font box right here, and we can hit refresh. So you don't even have to close it out or nothing. And then we're going to scroll down to the F's. I believe it was Fox or something like that, or My Fox. Yes, so here it is, My Fox. And then we got the text box open, and then we just say My Fox, and there it is. You know, we can make it bigger, different color. It's already in GIMP, it's ready to go. So quick and easy how to do that. This is just to save you time when you're trying to get creative work done and you're struggling trying to figure out how to actually access the tools to do that creative work. So here you go, and I hope it solves a problem in your day. So take it easy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.